Inside BMW's state-of-the-art factory. This is where the all-new 2026 BMW iX3 comes to life. Every journey begins with a single sheet of steel. Giant presses shape the body panels with millimeter precision. Stamping machines form each curve and line of the iX3. Now the body moves into the welding area. Robotic arms work in perfect synchrony. Thousands of spot welds create a strong, light structure. Each spark marks another step toward perfection. The body is checked for accuracy by laser systems. Every joint, every panel, precisely measured. Quality is never left to chance. Next stop, the paint shop. Robotic sprayers coat the body with a perfect finish. Multiple layers add depth, shine, and protection. Each iX3 receives a signature BMW color treatment. After drying, the body enters final assembly. Here, human expertise meets automation. Technicians install battery modules, motors, and interior parts. Every component fits with perfect alignment. The dashboard, screens, and seats take shape. Each detail reflects BMW's signature luxury and craftsmanship. Robotic lifts mount the chassis to the body, known as marriage. The iX3 is almost ready to roll. Final inspections begin. Engineers test every system: lights, brakes, battery, and software. Precision is everything. Nothing leaves this factory unchecked. The 9-3 heads the test track. Silent, powerful, and ready for the road. The future of electric mobility, built by BMW. The 2026 BMW iX3, engineered with passion, built with perfection. Thank you for watching.